Morning everyone, welcome back, and we're gonna harvest some string bean. So here we go. Down beans here. A good amount of beans, string beans. Look at that. Let's use the scissors because the scissors can go inside the narrow area. I don't want to damage the pea. I don't want to damage the main vine of the pea. So this is string bean. I've never planted so many before, but I decided to plant it this year. And look at that, nice harvest. There's plenty more around here. Where is plenty of string bean here. Plenty of string bean on this, in this area only. Go around there. Yeah, this one. Look at this, nice string bean. Nice can make your vegetable. Alright, I'm removing the corn and I'm getting out of the corn, the sweet corn, so I can have more space. So string bean is quite a lot. Down here by the gate. Over here. As I said, the scissors is ideal for this one, as you can cut it without damaging the main or pulling. String in here. Gotta be careful because the orange and the grapefruit is in here as well. And they got some spike. Let's get this one. Like I said, scissors is more ideal for it. So this. So these are string beans. Look at this. Little string bean here. This one here. So these are the string bean. Looking good. Let's put it there. This one could have. Let's try and cut the main thing. One. string bean for a special thing. Let's see. This is a nice harvest. Go inside now. I'm gonna cut here. I'm gonna leave the baby ones. That's why I said I use the scissors. So the scissors will leave the baby ones. And for another day. So I won't pull everything off. I pluck off everything or harvest everything. Alright. I think that is it. Plant back. So these are the string beans. These are the string beans. Very nice harvest. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.